It's that time of year when people start buying up farmers' almanacs to see what type of winter we are going to have. So it's a good time to talk about weather omens and superstitions to see if you can figure it out based on what's happening now. Let's check it out. Hi, I'm Laura Giles with Pan Society. Thanks for joining me today. If you like our content, please subscribe so that you are notified when we post new videos. You don't want to miss one, do you? All right. What do you think? Tell me where you are and give me your weather predictions in the comments for this winter. I know you've heard this one. If oak trees drop a lot of acorns, it's going to be a rough winter. There's another one that's similar. It says if squirrels grab up all the acorns, it's going to be a rough winter. So pay attention to the acorns. It's not the same year to year. A couple years ago, there were acorns everywhere. It was like they were falling out of the sky. Not so much this year. So according to the squirrels and the nuts, we're in for a mild winter. So I hope so. Here's another one we've probably all heard. Red sky in the morning, sailor's morning. Red sky at night, sailor's delight. This is saying that if you have a red sunrise, rain is coming, or a storm. A red sunset means fair weather. And this one only works if you live by the coast, but I think everyone will agree that this one is dead on, right? How about this one? Cobwebs on the grass are a sign of good weather. Now that happened this morning. So I see this all the time in the mornings, and those are pretty fine days, like today. Have you heard this one? If you blow out a candle and the wick smolders for a long time, bad weather's coming. If it blows out quick and clean, it's fair weather. How's this one? A warm October means a cold February. If that's true, we're in for a cold February. So we got mixed messages here. So it's because October was unbelievably lovely here. Here's another one. Crickets chirp fast when it's warmer and slower when it's colder. So this one's not really a weather forecast, but something that changes with the weather. So you can't use it for prediction, but check that out and see if that's true. Have you heard ring around the moon, rain real soon? First you have to have a moon, so it doesn't work if it's a new moon. If the clouds obscure the moon, then you already know you're probably in for some rain. But if you have a moon in the sky that isn't clear, it has a halo or that haze, this is what I'm talking about. The opposite is also true. There is a saying, clear moon frost soon, or cold is the night where stars shining bright. If you're a stargazer, you know this. We want a clear night, but they are so cold. So if it's not summer, you better get a really warm sleeping bag or make it a short night. Here's one about cows. If you see cows lying down, it's going to rain. I actually hadn't heard of this one until I moved to the country, which makes sense because if you're not around cows, how would you know that? In my experience, this isn't 100% accurate, but it's more accurate than not. I've definitely made plans based on cow behavior. Have you seen the two-tone woolly worms? They're black and brown and really fuzzy. If you see them with a thick brown band, it means winter will be tough. If you have a wood-burning fireplace, check out the smoke as it comes out of the chimney. If it sinks rather than rises, a snowstorm is coming within a few weeks. So not necessarily right away, but it's still good for a heads up. I've got one more for you, but you have to be out in the country for this one and around horses. So check out the horse's hair. Animals grow an undercoat, and apparently if a horse grows a thick seasonal undercoat, it's going to be a snowy winter. See, nature knows and she looks out for us. You just need to really know what to look out for. Now you can be a weather forecaster just by paying attention to nature. I'm sure that there's a lot more. Let us know the ones that I missed. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ciao.